Hi everybody, I'm Eddie Tseng. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you my version of teriyaki chicken. Ingredient, what we need is the chicken. Today, I'm using whole chicken leg and thigh deboned. Also, I have chopped onion. I use the red onion because I like its flavor. You can also use the white one. And I have a few slices of ginger, and this is the roasted sesame seed, and this is the homemade teriyaki sauce. If you want to see how I make the teriyaki sauce, you can check our teriyaki sauce videos. Let's get started. First, we gotta turn on our heat. Put it in high heat first. What I have in here is about a tablespoon of the cooking oil. Any cooking oil is working. Okay, now is the pan heat already. Now we pour into our oil into the pan. In next stage, we will start to fry our chicken first. Remember, we go in skin side down. So the skin side also quite a lot of fat. It will release the fat to our pan as well. Okay, now it's heat enough. We just get it in like this. Okay. And today I got a two in here. What I'm looking for is try to bring the skin, make it crispy. In high heat, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now it's about 3-4 minutes later, we can start turning it around. Now it's beautiful color. Okay. Now we start to fry in other side for about 3 minutes. Alright, now it's 3 minutes on. Now I'm going to take out my chicken. Okay. In this stage, we can put it in our chopping board for a rest, and also we're going to cut this chicken later. Alright. In this stage, as you can see, inside is still the oil, and this is flavor, so don't throw it away, don't wash your pan. Now we're gonna put in our chopped onion. Okay. Yeah. The onion take a little bit of time to bring out the sweet flavor. After that, then we put our sliced ginger. Let's go in. Okay, also this stage is just bring the flavor, ginger and onion. Okay. Now it's ready for our teriyaki sauce. This time we can pour in directly in 3 spoons. Okay. This teriyaki sauce is quite thick. So in this stage you can add a little bit of water to reduce the thickness and make it thin. Alright, because when the steam and moisture come out, we back to the thick again. Alright. Now we turn down the heat to the medium. Okay, in this stage, that cutting our chicken. The chicken been raised already, so what I'm going to cut just a few slices like this, as you can see. Okay, you hear the sound? Crispy. Let me open that for you. As you can see, chicken is still a little bit raw in the middle. Don't worry, that's what we're looking for. Okay, crispy outside. No, just keep it cutting. Okay, that is good. Alright, now we will bring the chicken back to our pan to fully cook. Alright, now we bring back our chicken. Then just slide on or in. Now we bring back to high heat. Okay, now that's our chicken cooking in the sauce. Okay, like this. We're gonna cook it for another 4 minutes. Now 4 minutes up, we're ready to dish this. Got it in here. Okay, that's what we can plating like this. Okay, we put it apart. Okay, now we can put our dressing up our sauce. Yeah, okay, a little dot. Okay. And finally, we can just garnish a little bit our roast sesame seed. Okay. Okay, right. This is my fish version of the teriyaki chicken. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.
Hey folks, I'd like to give a shout out to our very first Patreon subscriber, Tiffany Torres of New York. Tiffany, you rock. If you want to be like Tiffany, please check out our Patreon account by following the link in the description box below. See you next time.
Use the same caramel, right? Okay. Thank you. Okay. I mean,
Was it still rolling again?
cool, man. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Yeah, you can enjoy that. Fork.
Oh.
You use chopstick. I use fork. Yeah.
Okay.
You are wasted.
You use
I use fork. I suppose to try it. Nice.